Hey guys!
Hi, this is a special edition of Tasting Journey.
So today we're gonna do different Halloween drinks that you can do at home. They're pretty easy to make, and of course all the drinks you can find them at ONC. Follow closely, we'll make 3 of them. So we'll start with the first one, which is
The Corpse Reviver.
first things first. You put ice.
Ice, ice, baby.
Second thing, you put the martini.
How much martini?
As much as you would like.
Martini has a skeleton.
Bit of martini.
Yeah, that's a full glass of martini.
And then the brandy.
The brandy.
Goes in. Just a shot of brandy is enough. Shot of brandy. Then to make it more interesting, you put a dash of
Coloring.
food color. So I tried to find the black one, but black food color, but we couldn't find it. So we just settled for the blue, for the dark blue.
She's also very dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's also very dark. Put it in there. Not too much. There you go. Can I have the spoon? Then stir it. And then something interesting. We've made eyeballs. So
We didn't make them, we just took them.
This is pretty cool.
She took them.
Yes. It's just lychee and a grape inside. So there you have it. It's an eyeball. Then for this you can use either a toothpick, but for us we found little snakes. You can find them in any toy shop. Like just put it in there and just stick them in there. And you can use that to garnish. Can you garnish with your eyeball? So ta-da! What did you call it?
The Corpse Reviver.
Oh, kind of hard to drink. How is it?
Yeah, martini tastes like martini.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So the next one
The next one we have.
is the brain hemorrhage.
What I'm having right now.
This I hear it's pretty terrible to drink. So let's have it. So are you gonna use a?
It's an awesome cocktail.
Yeah.
We just use a shot glass. It's a shot.
Yeah.
A shot of brain hemorrhage. You can make as many as you want. So first we have the transparent part. So you can use triple sec butless.
Yeah.
So everything is fine up to this point. You don't have a brain hemorrhage.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
And then?
Then we have some Baileys on top.
Yeah.
For that one we use a spoon
I've got one here.
because you don't want the Baileys to mix. You want it to layer on top. So you take your skeleton Baileys. Wait, this is
You want to remove the bloody thing?
No, it's Halloween.
Okay.
Leave the skeleton alone.
Okay, slowly.
And you just drop it slowly.
Yeah! That was a bit too much. Okay,
Then we
next.
Baileys. So after Baileys, you put some Jägermeister.
I think I want to wipe the surface.
No, there's no time for wiping the surface right now.
Okay.
We're making drinks here.
Okay. And then a bit of... Layer it again. Oh my god, this is a disaster.
It's not a disaster. So then you add the Jägermeister.
Oh no.
You also layer it.
Oh, perfect. Oh,
This might actually be the perfect shot ever.
yeah.
So now you have a transparent part, you have the Baileys part,
Your
and
knife.
you have the
You
Jägermeister.
almost hit me with your knife.
Now,
Wait, I think we should wipe this thing. Let me wipe it. Okay, it's fine. Actually, it's fine. It looks good.
so and then
Drip drop.
drip drop. So now we have the hemorrhage effect. This is really awesome. You wanna do it? I'm gonna give it to you.
Cool.
So this is a grenadine. You just put a few drips in there.
Okay, let's see.
That's more than enough. That's actually more than enough.
Oh, looks terrible.
Okay. Let's give it to the vampire.
Let's see. Bottoms up.
Bottoms up. Ah, even look disgusting how you took it.
Okay.
How's the taste?
It's pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. And I think we should end this video here and now.
No, but it's a good taste, right? The brain is very nice. It's very sweet.
It's definitely something to serve, and it's pretty easy to make.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So the last shot, it's called a blood shot. So the last blood shot.
Blood shot.
Can we clean this?
Yes, let's clean it.
I know it's Halloween, but it's disturbing me.
Okay, let's clean it. Yes. Next one.
Next one, which is pretty easy to make. Like this is the easiest that you can make. So first you need syringe. Like these you can find them in any chemist. Like we got them for 20 shillings per piece for these ones. So you can get a few to serve it with. Then you need your favorite vodka, but I would advise use this one. Use the Stoli.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Stoli hot.
Stoli hot. Stoli pepper.
It's very spicy.
Jalapeno flavored. It's very spicy. It's really nice. Gives you that kick. So a shot glass, please.
Shot glass.
Yeah.
One shot glass.
Yeah. One shot glass. So you just put a shot of vodka in there. And then a bit of the grenadine. Just put a bit. And then the food color. Ah, that's bloody. Cool.
I see.
All right. So here you go. Just
I take my syringe.
get the thing in.
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse.
Trust me, I'm a nurse.
Jeez. Okay. Leave a little bit for me.
Yeah, okay. But I need
200 ml.
I lost a lot of blood. I need a lot of blood.
And for me. Perfect. See how cool this looks? Imagine serving this at your party. It's pretty cool. It's a very, very cool thing. So it's a shot of vodka.
Yes.
I'm actually a bit scared
of
taking this one.
Yes, because I saw you didn't put any grenadine in there.
Yeah.
There was barely any grenadine in there.
It's just a shot of vodka. People
This is just
love
vodka.
this. People love this. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is cool. Cheers in with it.
Give me the shot.
Syringes.
Give me the shot.
Open wide. I'm just giving you half. How bad is it?
Oh yeah, it's vodka. That's it. 3 cocktails.
So there you have it, girls and boys.
3 awesome things you can do at
3
home.
awesome cocktails you can do at home, and they're pretty easy to make.
Or at party.
And remember to order from onc.co.ke. We've got all that you need. So, and then we'll see you next week.
Okay, see you next week.
Enjoy your Halloween.
Enjoy your Halloween.
Bye, guys.